previous class. Here in this class we will learn the things that we can get from trees. Okay. Here I have drawn the picture of a tree, and in this side in the box I have written the things that can be got from the trees. So let's see what are the things. Flowers, medicines, rubber, wood, vegetables and fruits. Okay. Let's see how do they use or how do we use them. Flowers. Flowers are mainly used for worshipping gods, even for the decoration homes or anywhere if we want to decorate, we may use the flowers. Then come to the next point, medicines. Medicines are used to cure our diseases so that we can be healthy. Okay, and even we can make some medicines from trees also. Okay, then is the rubber. Rubber is mainly used for making eraser. Wherever we want to erase, we can use that one that can be made from the rubber. And even the tire of the wheels, the outer portion of the wheels, the tire, that is made up of rubber also. Then is the wood. Wood is a very essential thing for that is mainly used for making papers, furnitures, and even wood can be we can get wood from trees also. The last one is the vegetables and fruits. You know, fruits are very essential for our body, and even green leafy vegetables are also essential for our body. It helps us to keep fresh, healthy and fit. Okay, so these are the things that can got from trees. Okay, now in this page we will practice. It's a practice time where you have to take a pencil and to take the things. Here are lots of pictures of the things. Though you have to take the under the pictures whatever can be got from the trees. Let's see what are they. The first one is the egg. No. This is the mango. Yes. Tick here. Ice cream. No. Coconut. Yes. We get coconut from tree. This is the picture of a pumpkin. Yes. Tick here also. Butter. No. Guava. Yes, we can get guava from tree. And this is the picture of a rose. Yes, it is. We can get these flowers from trees also. And milk. No. So tick only under the mango, coconut, pumpkin, guava, and at last the rose. Okay. Hello children, it's your EVS class. Today we will talk about our national symbols. You know that what is national symbols? That is not a normal symbols. The symbols that shows, that represents the thoughts, the emotions, the feelings of a country. It represents the thoughts, the emotions, or the feelings of a country. Okay, so here are some national symbols of our country, and there is their name. What is they? Okay, what they are. The national flower is lotus. National emblem is the Lion King of Ashoka. National tree is banyan tree. National fruit mango. National game is orchid. National bird is peacock. National flag is tricolored flag, and national animal is tiger. Okay. Let me show you the pictures of our national flag. This is national flower lotus. Here is lotus. You know that this is the purest, the sacred flower of all. It shows the purity of our country. Okay. The national symbol, that is the king lion of Ashoka, four-headed lion with a body. It directed in four direction: north, south, east, west. Okay, it shows the confidence, the royalty of our country. Then is national tree, banyan tree. This is the picture of a banyan tree. Okay, it shows the eternal life of us. Okay, then is national fruit, mango. You know mango, that is very juicy and pulpy fruit. Okay, we love to take this fruit, and mainly we can get this in summer season. Okay, it shows the tropical climate of India. National game, that is hockey. Okay, this is the hockey is a national game. It can played on green grass with a stick and a ball, that is hockey. National bird, peacock. This is peacock. It is a very beautiful bird. It shows, this is the most beautiful bird, and it shows the beauty, the grace of our country. Okay, and it looks very beautiful on that time, especially on that time when it spread its feathers. Okay, then national flag, tricolored flag. It is our national flag with saffron, white and green. At the top there is saffron color, dark saffron color. It shows the courage. In the middle there is a white color. It shows the purity, the honesty, and at last there is a green color. It shows the fertility of our country. And at the middle of the white color there is a circle. There is a wheel type circle, that is a wheel. It shows the development according to the time of our country. Okay, then at last is our national animal, that is tiger. You know, it shows this is a tiger and it symbolizes the power of our country. Okay, so what is the national flower? What is our national flower? Lotus. National emblem, the king lion of Ashoka. Lion king of Ashoka. National tree, that is banyan tree. National fruit is mango. What is our national game? That is hockey. What is our national bird? That is peacock. National flag is tricolored flag, and national animal is the tiger. Okay, so you have to recognize the pictures so that you can understand. If I ask you that show me where is our national fruit, then you have to touch this one. In this way you have to recognize this. Alright, now turn over the page. Page 64. Here in this page you have to recognize the symbols. Okay, the symbols are here, but you have to name them. And the name is mentioned here already for your help. So at first this is the picture of a banyan tree. You write banyan tree here. You can get the spelling here, that is mentioned here. Then it is a stick and ball, so that is the hockey. Lotus, green color, pink colored flower. This is our national flower, lotus. Here it is our national animal, tiger, and national fruit, mango. All the spellings are available here. You just put it from here. Okay. So learn these pages very well so that you can recognize the symbols, our national symbols. Okay. Thank you.